Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing common issues as easy as pie. Today, we're tackling a super relevant topic: how to unblock the microphone on Chrome in 2025. Whether you're joining video calls, recording voice memos, or using AI-powered features that have become even more integrated, a blocked microphone can be a real buzzkill. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. By the end, you'll have your mic up and running smoothly. First things first, let's open up Google Chrome. Make sure you're on the latest version for 2025, which includes enhanced privacy controls and AI-assisted permissions. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down. This is your gateway to customizing your browsing experience. Once you're in Settings, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. It's usually towards the bottom, and it's packed with tools to manage your data. Click on that, and then look for Site Settings or Permissions. This is where Chrome handles what websites can access, like your camera or microphone. Now, under Site Settings, find Microphone. You'll see options for allowing or blocking access. If it's blocked, you might need to change the default setting. Click on Microphone, and toggle the switch to allow access. For specific sites, you can manage exceptions, say, if you only want your mic enabled for trusted platforms like Google Meet or your favorite AI assistant. If that doesn't work, let's troubleshoot quickly. Restart Chrome, clear your cache, or check your device's system settings for any overarching microphone blocks. In 2025, many devices have biometric integrations, so ensure your OS permissions are also set correctly. Pro tip: if you're on a shared computer, remember to review these settings regularly for security. And there you have it. Your microphone should now be unblocked and ready to go. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay connected.